Hello, this is Steven. I want to welcome you to Secrets of Tax Lien Investing. In today's video, we're going to talk about the cold hard facts of tax lien certificates. Question number 1. What is a tax lien? Well, tax liens are the enforcement method used by the government for the collection of property taxes. Tax liens are liens against real property. Real property is real estate. So tax liens can be offered to investors that are willing to pay off the property owner's delinquent taxes. You pay some property owner's delinquent taxes, you're able to receive a tax lien certificate for that. Now, tax liens will pay an investor a rate of return, and they also give property owners a redemption period or a time frame to repay the property taxes. Now, these tax lien certificates, they're going to have foreclosure rights. If the tax lien is not paid back within that redemption period, then the lien holder can foreclose on the property and become the new property's owner. What interest rate returns can I expect through tax lien certificates? Well, tax liens can earn different rates of return. It's really going to be based on the tax lien itself. Now, the state maximum can vary from state to state. It will usually start at about 10% and will go up to about 24%. Now, the bidding will usually start at that maximum bid amount and then will bid down in percentage rate from there. The lowest bid or the lowest bidder will be awarded the tax lien certificate. Is tax lien investing hard? Well, if you're watching this video, if you can send an email, then you can purchase tax lien certificates. The first thing you need to do is to learn the basics of tax liens and deeds. Once you understand the basics, then from there you're going to research and study how to navigate county websites. Once you've navigated the county websites, then you can start investing into tax lien certificates because you can research the individual properties, you can check to make sure the properties have value, and of course that's going to be protection against your investment. Now, is it possible to lose money on tax lien certificates? This is a question I get a lot, and the answer is yes. It's definitely possible to lose money investing into tax lien certificates. Now, how do I lose money? Well, the primary reason is without researching the individual property. If you don't research individual properties, then there's a good chance you could make a mistake. And also, without studying the tax sale strategies and really understanding the individual systems that are used within these county governments. If you understand how the tax sale system works, you understand how to research property and pick good tax lien certificates, then you're going to be pretty safe investing into tax liens and earning a great interest rate return, but also backed by the property itself, because the collateral for the tax lien is the actual property. So the property value really acts as our security for the investment. If we're investing into good tax lien certificates on good valuable properties, then our investment's going to be secure, it's going to be backed by a good property, and there's a great chance that we're going to go ahead and earn back our interest rate return on top of our principal investment. In addition to that, we also have the opportunity that we may be able to foreclose on one of these properties and become the new property owner. And so when you've picked up one of these properties through a tax lien certificate, you may have picked up this property for 5 to 10% of its value. So turn around and flipping and making a good profit on the property is pretty easy to do when you're buying property at that low of the market value. So how do you buy tax liens? Well, there are really 4 ways to purchase tax lien certificates. The first way is through a live auction. This is where you go down to the county courthouse, you bid against other bidders, and you purchase tax liens right there from the county. The second way is through online auctions. This is something that's became very, very popular over the last few years. You can purchase tax lien certificates using many different online auction companies and online auction websites. And there's even counties that have websites that are completely dedicated to their tax lien certificate auctions. Now, the third way to purchase tax lien certificates is what's called over-the-counter or OTC investing. This is where you purchase tax liens that have already been offered at the auction but didn't sell and are now available directly from the county. So you're able to go to the county, purchase these tax lien certificates, and one of the advantages of over-the-counter tax liens is you're not going to be bidding down that interest rate return. You're able to purchase the tax lien certificate at the maximum highest interest rate that's allowed within that state. And the last way to invest in tax lien certificates is by what's called the secondary market. The secondary market is a way to purchase tax lien certificates. If you have an interest about it, you can read more about it on the website. So how do you get started? Well, the first thing you want to do is to learn the basics of tax sale investing. Once you've learned the basics, you can choose an investor profile. Now, the investor profile is going to help you determine a state to get started with. There's a lot of different investor profiles, and the investor profiles will help you narrow down those states. So from there, you can go ahead and pick a county to get started with after you've chosen a state. Now, once you pick a county, then you can start researching that tax sale list. Now, as you research the tax sale list, you're going to find properties. You're going to go through and evaluate those individual properties and then choose one to be your investment. Once you've chosen some different properties that fit the criteria that you're looking for, then you can either purchase that tax lien certificate at an auction, you can purchase it over the counter, whatever your basic strategy is. Going through and doing that research beforehand is going to make sure that you protect your investment and pick good tax lien certificates. Well, where can I go to learn to invest into tax liens? And the answer is you can go to secretsoftaxlieninvesting.com. For a limited time, you guys can sign up for a free 30-day guest pass to the website. Now, this is going to give you unlimited training. It's going to give you the auction list, the live webinars, the ebooks, the videos, and all of the training that's included on the website. And so this is a completely free gift to you for a limited time. You can go to the website, register, and you're going to be able to get all of the tools and features that are available to all of the members of the website. So again, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel because we're going to be putting out new videos every week about different aspects of tax lien and deed investing. We're going to let you know about what's coming up so that you're informed. And again, appreciate you being on the line, watching the video, and go to the Secrets of Tax Lien Investing to sign up for the free 30-day offer. Thank you and have a great day.